All right, so this one is a lot easier than you would think. Sometimes um, you think it's more complicated than it is. I mean, there's certainly some things that you could try, but f of x, f of f plus g of x, really, I'm just going to write down f, which is 5 over x plus 12. Then I'm going to add g, which is the square root of x minus 3 plus 10. And really, the only thing I can do really is just add like terms. So I have this constant of 12 and the constant of 10. And I'm just going to add those together, and that's going to equal 22. For the most part, everything else basically stays the same because, I mean, I can add these things together, but it doesn't simplify it. It doesn't make it any easier. In other words, I can probably put 5 over x and add it to the square root of x minus 3, but it actually makes it harder to work with mathematically. So we just leave it. And believe it or not, this is the whole answer right here. And that's it.